When you're looking for your answer on your unit circle, and this is a unit circle thing for the most part, you're going to go here first, here second, here third, and here never. The first problem says cosecant -1 of root 2. And it bothers me that they don't put this in parentheses because I really think they should. So whenever you see a -1 or an inverse trig function, that's what these are, you think about who has a cosecant of root 2. So whenever you see a -1, you're going to think of who has, okay? And you're going to ask yourself that question. Well, cosecant is the reverse of sine. So if the cosecant is root 2, cosecant of theta equals root 2, because that's what that means. So if the cosecant of theta is root 2, that means the sine of theta is 1 over root 2, because you turn it upside down. Does everybody remember that? So I need to get that radical out of the basement, multiplied by root 2 over root 2. And we know that the sine of theta equals root 2 over 2. And if you look at your unit circle, you're going to look here first, right? You'll find that 45 degrees has a sine of root 2 over 2. So your answer is 45 degrees. So we cover up the tan. We work from the inside out, like those little dolls that you'll keep opening them up and there's a doll inside, and opening the little Russian stacking dolls. So you're going to look at this inside. So it says, who has a secant of 39, root 39 over 6? So let's draw it. Since it's positive, we're going to go into the first quadrant, right? And secant is the reverse of cosine. So that means that the cosine, I'm going to just write this here as would be 6 over root 39. And you can leave the radical in the basement so you don't make it too complicated. But the cosine would be 6 over root 39 because it's the flip of the secant, right? So that would be, who has a cosine of 6 over root 39? Okay? Well, this guy does. We don't need to find out who he is, because now they're saying to me, I'm going to cross this out and put theta, right? That's the picture that goes with it. What is the tangent of theta? So now we've got to find the third side of the, this one's not a unit circle one. So you're going to say 6 squared plus b squared equals root 39 squared, right? 36 plus b squared equals 39. B squared equals 3. So this is square root of 3. And what is the tangent of theta? Tangent of theta is root 3 over 6.